Hello friends, welcome back to another new video. When trying to install Termux from Play Store, you may be getting this type of error, can't install Termux. Or after installation, if you are getting 403 forbidden error, then this video is for you. In this video, I will tell you how you can solve it. So let's get started. So how to solve it? It is very easy. First of all, uninstall any Termux version you have in your phone. After uninstalling it, if you will visit the official Termux website, you can see it is written to not to install Termux application from Play Store, and they have removed download from Play Store link too. It is because Google Play builds of Termux are not updated now. So instead of that, click on this F-Droid button. Then you will be redirected to this page. Or you can also search for Termux F-Droid on Google, and by clicking on first link, that is Termux F-Droid, you will be redirected to the same page. We are now on F-Droid, that is also an app store like Play Store. You can also download and install F-Droid in your phone by clicking on download F-Droid button. Or if you don't want to download F-Droid, scroll down and then you will see the latest Termux version that is available. Right now it is 0.113, added on 20th May of 2021. Maybe at the time you are watching this video, there is another latest version available. Scroll down and click on download APK and your Termux app downloading will be started. Alternatively, you can install F-Droid. Then by clicking on search for Termux and install it in your phone. I recommend you installing F-Droid because after installing Termux from F-Droid, install all the other Termux applications from F-Droid only. Don't install them from Play Store. After you have installed Termux, open it, and now you will not get issue of any 403 forbidden error or any other error. As you can see, I just entered apt update and apt upgrade. I had no issue. The main cause of the 403 forbidden error was outdated version of Termux that is available on Play Store. I hope this video helps you. If it helped, then don't forget to smash subscribe and like button. See you in next one.